Fun with Stuey! Fun with Stuey. Today I'm gonna do a volcanic eruption, the volcano. Okay, now let's open it. And this is the manual, and this is only for 8 years old. Yeah, and also I need to do it alone because I'm the oldest. Gonna open it. Okay, now we need to assemble a mountain. I already do. Place on a newspaper or magazine and pretend from getting messy. I already got a table. I need to wear the goggles and scoop citric tartaric acid to the mountain using a half a spoon. I know to do that. I'm going to do that later. I'm going to read this first. Add 100 ml warm water on the tartaric acid on top of the mountain. Add 5 or 10 drops of food pigment and mix the food pigment with water. Pour a half spoon of baking soda in the top on the mountain and then you watch it to explode. I'm going to do that now. First we have to use the goggles because let the experiment go to our eyes. And first we need to get is the tartaric acid. And it's right here. I'm going to get my scissors. Okay, and we put the citric tartaric acid and we need to put half a spoon. We need to put inside. And we need to put water bricks and I need to put a little bit of water into the tartaric acid. It's okay. I need to do 5 to 10 to put the food coloring. I'm gonna do 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we're gonna put the baking soda into the experiment, the volcano. Whoa! Whoa! So cool! Wow! So cool. Wait, I think I know what to do. Wait. Oh my god. So, whoa, it's flooding. There's one on my leg. Wait. Let me pull it. Wow! Oh my god. It's exploding. Wait. Wait, more. Okay, now we conclude the science experiment. Fun with Stuey. Bye, and like and subscribe my video. Fun with Stuey. Bye.